Okay, here's a project video. We're gonna do 5 foot press point from here to here with one gate in the middle. We need to do this first before we start on this project because of her dogs. They're gonna have to go here. So 5 foot press point here with the gate, and we'll make that gate out of the metal things there. It's gonna be basically two metal panels basically in press point. Hopefully maybe we have some in stock. And then right here we're going to replace this section here with a Japanese sequoia board on board cap and trim, dark walnut. We're going to do two kickboards on the bottom because he has a lot of water flooding stuff, so we'll do that. And then we're going to replace this gate, and you'll see the drawings in there. It's gonna I'll have all the measurements and everything in there. This gate, we're gonna take all this out. We're gonna put in a manual gate, 8 foot tall. It's gonna be board on board sequoia, same thing. And we're gonna also replace this over here from that corner to here. It's gonna be 8 foot board on board cap and trim, Japanese cedar, Western red cedar rails, 2 kickboards on the bottom. And then right here, we're gonna have to put in that pad thing we build, the cement pad thing. And it's in the invoice. So we're gonna have to build that cement pad over here, go this way. And also what I wanna do, because a lot of water comes in, make sure we put some PVC pipes that come out at least 1, 2, 3, at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6, 7 of them. So the water, when it comes in here, it can go out, okay? And then whatever else we need to do. And then I'll do a video from the back. I got to go through the alley. Or I might do so on the gate, we'll replace all this. All this is going to come out. You can see here. I know, Mo, you want me to do details, so there's your details. Here. Oh, there we go. There's a gap right there. See there? So we got some room there. We can actually bring it out a little bit if we want to make it easier or whatever we need to do to make it better. So there you go. So again, gate here, fence here with a gate, 5 foot press point, board on board cap and trim, Japanese cedar pre-stained dark walnut, and then this gate here, replace it. So, and let me measure real quick for you. The gate itself, we're gonna make it, it doesn't have to be as wide as this one, but we can do the post here. Hold on, let me reset this. So this post to post, going to be about 17 right there. Post to post.